Hello,
Yes, sir.
can see now. Oh, that if any problem is there, you cannot see. Hmm. Okay. So the question is the first question: which of the following statement is not correct for the floral formula? Okay. First is BR stand for bracteate and K stand for calyx. Superior ovary is by G, that a line above. Okay, and this symbol that represent actinomorphic, and this symbol represent the zygomorphic nature of flower, and the fusion is indicated by enclosing the figure with a bracket. Out of this, which one is not correct?
Number 4, sir.
Number B, sir.
Number
B.
B. Yes, sir. Number B, superior ovary. With the superior ovary, that G is, that line is below the G. This is superior. And this one, the symbol given here, this is for inferior ovary. And all others are correct. That BR stand for bract and K for calyx. This one is actinomorphic, and this is percentage sign is zygomorphic. Fusion is fusion is indicated by closing the figure with the bracket. When we write, say, uh, say a monodelphous condition, say androecium. Androeciums are many, okay, and this is within the bracket. This is infinity, many. This condition is found in Malvaceae, China rose, monodelphous condition, united, or calyx. Say if the calyx is corolla, this is C stand for corolla, calyx is 5, then united. And if it is free, we will write the figure without bracket. Next is very easy one. The vexillary estivation is the characteristics of the family Fabaceae, Asteraceae, Solanaceae, Brassicaceae. This was asked CBSE AIPMT 2012 question. So vexillary estivation is which family?
Fabaceae, sir.
C.
Fabaceae, A, sir.
Fabaceae, yes. Vexillary estivation is for Fabaceae, that is P family. Here, instead of writing family name, they can give the name of any of the plant belonging to this family also. Okay. So see, if it is written here P or Sesbania or any other plant name, they can give. Mm, Here is add the missing floral organ in the given floral formula of the family Fabaceae. This is again from the family Fabaceae, that here the zygomorphic, bisexual, calyx 5, and then there is blank, and after that A is 1 plus 9, 9 within bracket, G1, and ovary superior. Okay, so out of this, which one will be suitable here?
Option B, sir.
Option B. Yes, option B is correct because there is sequence in writing the floral formula. First, it comes whether it is bracteate or ebracteate, then actinomorphic or zygomorphic. Hmm. Actinomorphic or zygomorphic. After that, whether it is sexuality, bisexual, unisexual, or neuter. So, male or female. Then come the calyx for K. After that is corolla for C, and then androecium, and then gynoecium. This is the sequence of writing the floral formula. You cannot use this before or after this sequence. You cannot change. So here the after calyx it is the corolla. Corolla comes in the corolla. Here in Fabaceae corolla there are 5 petals, but these 5 petals are not regular. They are irregular shape, and so it can be written the posterior is 1, that largest standard, and then 1 plus 2. These two indicate the 2 wing lateral petals, and then the 2 anterior, that is the smallest petal, and these two are fused. So we can say the petals in corolla in Fabaceae, okay, this is partially um, partially gamopetalous and partially it is polypetalous. These 3 petals are free, but these two they are united and to form a boat-like structure. So these two are the keel. Okay, so this one is the correct answer. Next is which floral family has a 9+1 arrangement of anther? This is also 9+1. Already see here it is in this floral formula. This is this indicate didelphous condition of the stamen. Didelphous condition where 9 are united and 1 is free. So 2 bundles are produced. This is again, this is from the Fabaceae. Say this Rutaceae family, these are not in your syllabus. Rutaceae, Malvaceae. Caesalpinaceae is another family of the another subfamily of the family Leguminosae, very close to Fabaceae. Next one is here the floral formula is given, is the floral formula of out of this 4 plant, which plant? This is AIPMT 2015. This one, the floral formula of, here the family name has not given. So name of the plants, and that too in botanical name, not the vernacular name, not a common English name has been given. So you have to know this first thing by here, 2 things that you should know: the plant and belongs to which family. Then only you can, if you know this also based on the family, that okay, this one is this floral formula is of this family, a particular family. But out of this, here you must know that which plant belongs to that family. This is okay. You tell the name of the family. Can you?
Brassicaceae,
No, Brassicaceae it is not. See, in the Brassicaceae, Brassicaceae, that is the mustard, no, mustard, this one is Brassicaceae. Okay, and in these, the flower is tetramerous. Flower is tetramerous, right? Tetramerous means they have the floral parts, no? The floral parts, they are 4 or multiple of 4. So this here it is calyx, sepals 5, petals 5, androecium 5, stamens. So this one is not tetradynamous, tetramerous. This is pentamerous. Pentamerous is not crucifery. Pentamerous you have in the family, say in the syllabus. In the syllabus, it is Fabaceae is pentamerous and Solanaceae is pentamerous. These two are of the pentamerous. But here in the Fabaceae is monocarpellary. Here it is bicarpellary. In Fabaceae already you have seen that 9 plus 1 didelphous condition is not uh, uh, in Fabaceae didelphous condition is there, but here androecium stamens are 5 and the androecium and the corolla, they are united. Adhesion is there. So this one belongs to family Solanaceae. Okay, and from the Solanaceae here, this only the petunia is there. Okay, member of Solanaceae is petunia. So this one is the floral formula of, this is floral formula of petunia, belongs to family Solanaceae. Allium, this is onion. Okay, allium is belongs to Liliaceae. Brassica, crucifery, Sesbania is Fabaceae. So our answer is this. Petunia. So here you can see here. Say this is Solanaceae family, and here this is the floral formula of Solanaceae, and here we have petunia is a garden flower that is in ornamental. Okay. In the Solanaceae, under Solanaceae, plants like tomato, brinjal, potato, chilies, all types of chili, medicinal plant is belladonna and ashwagandha. Then tobacco, nicotiana belongs to this. You can see from here, I have given you can see later on this family description. Okay, the family description of the Solanaceae. From here, this is floral formula, and in the economically important plants belongs to Solanaceae is potato, Solanum tuberosum, tomato, Lycopersicum esculentum, brinjal, Solanum melanogaster. Then spices belongs to this family is chilies, all capsicum, capsicum annuum. This spices beside this capsicum, those which is also used as the vegetable, okay, all those bell pepper and then simla mirch, capsicum, they belongs to this. Medicinal plants are belladonna, the botanical name Atropa belladonna. Ashwagandha is Widania somnifera. Then fumigatory, those tobacco, Nicotiana tabacum, the common species, or Nicotiana rustica, other species are also there. In this ornamental is Petunia and Sistrum nocturnum, that is night queen saint. Okay, night queen also it is called. This plant, very beautiful smell are there, and white flower, and at night it blooms. So these are the description you can see from here. In this family, important character of the Solanaceae is inflorescence is flowers are usually solitary, that is single flower appear like a petunia, or it is in a cymose. This flower is hypogynous and actinomorphic. Corolla 5, calyx 5, petal, sepals 5. Their androecium, this epipetalous condition is important. In the gynoecium, the ovary is obliquely placed and the placenta is swollen. Okay, these are important. Okay. Next question come to, here is one again, give the floral formula. Is the floral formula of the same question? I think here it is here the name of the plant given, and here name of the family has been given. Okay, same question with family. So this one is, this belongs to Solanaceae. Next is tricarpellary syncarpus gynoecium is found in tricarpellary. So the trimerous condition, remember trimerous condition of flower is characteristic of monocot plants, and in your syllabus only one monocot family is there, that is the Liliaceae. Okay, so the answer is tricarpellary one, it is Liliaceae. Here is one floral diagram has been given. Okay, so floral diagram, same one thing, but here floral diagram given, and in the option there is floral formula. So you have to match that which one is correctly describe this floral diagram. Here the question is study carefully the given floral diagram and select the option which correctly represent the related floral formula FF. Floral formula FF and floral diagram FD is usually written. So which one will represent this? Here you see this is outermost is calyx. Is it? Calyx, that is sepal 5, they are joined. Is it? So it is united. Corolla 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Corolla 5, and they are also united. Stamen, how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Androecium, stamen 5, united. And one thing here you can see that these anthers, they are attached with the petals. Means this is the condition with a arc, this C and A is attached. Gynoecium, here you can see two chambers are there. This is due to there is a partition line. Okay, two chambers. So this shows that two carpel, number of chamber in the ovary, that also one indication of the number of carpel, and this carpel is united into one, so two carpel united. Of course, so whether it is superior or inferior, these things are not expressed in the floral diagram. We cannot express. Okay. There is a uniformity of the petals, sepals, and their distribution and their size. So the flower is regular, regular, and they have radial symmetry. You can divide it like this, you can divide it like this, you can divide it like this. In any line you divide this one, means it will be divided into two identical halves, and that's why the flower is actinomorphic. Radial symmetry, and it is actinomorphic. All flower having radial symmetry, they are actinomorphic. So this symbol of actinomorphic is that a plus sign within a circle. And androecium is there, gynoecium is there. So this one is bisexual also. So this is actinomorphic, bisexual, calyx 5, corolla 5, androecium 5, gynoecium 2, hypogynous. Now which one will be the answer?
Option B, sir.
Option B. Actinomorphic, bisexual, calyx 5, corolla 5, united, androecium 5, gynoecium 2, syncarpus, and superior ovary, and this is indicating actinomorphic. But can you see that option B and option D are same? Actinomorphic, bisexual, calyx 5, united, corolla 5, united, androecium 5, okay, free, and actinomorphic sign is there, gynoecium 2, syncarpus, hypogynous. Then which one is correct, this or this? Actually here there is a slight difference in the B and D. Here say this for the actinomorphic condition, this A, C and A, sorry, for this epipetalous condition, C and A, they are either joined with a super bracket, that is the a line drawn in between these two, or either in this way, or we can write like this, an arc is drawn. Say here in this option D, this one is a perfect arc, okay, but in option B, this is not a perfect arc, seems to be part of a oval, okay. So this one is not correct here. In these two, we have to select the number D. Number D is the correct answer. Of course, in some of the cases, in other places, maybe this accurate drawing may not be there. But here the question is with accuracy, and you have to select which one is the best. Okay, option both other things are correct, everything showing, okay, but this D is more perfect. So we have to answer this. If you answer this one, then there will be negative marking. Next question. Which of the following is a correct combination of family and its representative member? Okay, this one, this specimen question, no, this type of things may be given for any of the other family. Okay, this one is for Solanaceae. This is a floral diagram of Solanaceae and floral formula of Solanaceae. Okay, next this question. Which of the following is correct combination of family and its respective member? Fabaceae, tomato, chili is correct combination, we have to find out. Solanaceae, tobacco, brinjal. Liliaceae, petunia, potato. None of the above. Which one is correct combination?
B.
B is the correct combination because tomato and brinjal belongs to Solanaceae. Here Fabaceae. This one is tomato chili. This is also for Solanaceae. Is it? This one is not correct. This is correct combination. In this Liliaceae, Petunia potato. This is also Solanaceae. Petunia and potato also belongs to Solanaceae. So all the member here given, they belongs to family Solanaceae. Here is another question with the floral diagram and same thing here. Okay, study carefully the given floral diagram and select the option which correctly represent the related floral formula. Similar thing. This one, this belongs to which family? This is the floral diagram of, can you tell which family?
Lilies.
Lily, sir.
Yes, this one is family Liliaceae. This is a lily family also, it is known as lily family. And in this is onion, garlic, this belongs to this family. Then aloe vera, aloe, I think you know the name of the aloe vera. Aloe vera is so popular as a Ayurvedic medicine. No? This is everyone is using it, and more commonly that the girls using for facial etc. aloe vera paste creams and gel. Mm. This is for the rheumatic pain etc. Also aloe vera juice etc. is used. So this is aloe is the very good and popular Ayurvedic medicine. So here you can see this is the this is here you can say this calyx and corolla, but in this family the calyx and corolla is not distinct because their shape, size and the color all similar. So you cannot distinguish them as a petals or sepals. So it is called the perianth. And this perianth are in 3 plus 3 in two holes, 3 in the outer ring and 3 on the inner ring, and they are united all. So 3 plus 3 united, 6 in number, that is trimerous condition. Stamen also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 stamen. This stamen also are epipetalous. These stamens anthers, here it is showing that with their filament they are attached to the tepals, that is to the perianth. And in here also in two rings. So this androecium also is 3 plus 3. And in this condition, onion also here the perianth is P 3 plus 3 and androecium 3 plus 3, they are joined. So this is not epipetalous, but similar to the epipetalous condition, here we call epiphylous. The condition is called epiphylous. epiphylous. In Solanaceae, it is epipetalous because their petal and sepals are distinct. But here, petal sepal not distinct, so we call epiphylous, perianth and okay. Here the gynoecium at the center you can see there are 3 chambers, means this is also 3. So perianth 3 plus 3, stamen 3 plus 3 and gynoecium 3 carpels and they are united together, so syncarpus. And this floral diagram from here you can see the size of the petals or sepals, okay, they are uniform. This is again regular and radial symmetry is there, so the flower is actinomorphic. Flower is actinomorphic. So which one will indicate? See here, A will be the correct option, that actinomorphic bisexual. Here P, perianth. Okay, P is 3 plus 3 united and stamen 3 plus 3 and A and P are connected. Okay, joined together. So epiphylous condition and gynoecium 3 united, that is syncarpus condition and superior ovary. Okay, in this that epiphylous condition and epipetalous condition, Solanaceae and Liliaceae are showing some similarity. But Solanaceae is dicot, Liliaceae monocot. This one, the option D is, this option D is of Solanaceae. Okay. Option D is given, Solanaceae. This one, option B, here directly written P6, A6, gynoecium 3 and hypogynous flower or superior ovary. This is also, if instead of writing 3 plus 3 or 3 plus 3, it can be written 6 directly. But in this, it is not showing the epiphylous condition, missing here. Okay, this one. I told you that this showing this epipetalous and epiphylous. See here, this curve that has connected the A and P. This is also not perfect arc, but here this one is correct. This option is our correct answer. So I told, and in this question, it was mainly this based on this arc. Only there was a difference. Okay. Next one is, this is a matching. Match the following column. One side is the name of the plant. The other side, here of course, this is related to the fruit and seed. Types of P, here P castor and maize. Here one cotyledon, two cotyledon, non-endospermic. Say P is non-endospermic. In P seed, we don't get, in a mature seed, we don't get endosperm. What we eat, that is the cotyledon. embryo. Castor is a dicot. It is two cotyledon. This one is dicot. Maize is one cotyledon, monocot family. So which matching will? A with 3. A3, which one? This one is only option. That is D will be the correct answer. B 2 and C 1. In this here the option here given, that one is very easy. Easy in the sense, if you know this one, A, that P is non-endospermic, then only the answer, because in any other A with 3 is not given in any of the options. Here is the symbol of floral diagram and floral formula. Symbol of floral formula. So this is column 1 is symbol, column 2 is the terms that which it represent. This one is actinomorphic, is it? That plus sign, so it will go with this. This is for percentage sign is zygomorphic, this will go with this. And K is calyx, it is sepal. So A with 2, A with 2 here. This one, this is also a very easy. If A with 2, then B with 1 and C with 3. Here is question. Select incorrect match. This is group of, that is plant, ornamental, medicine, fodder, edible oil. So in the ornamental, tulip, gloriosa, lupin, sweet pea, petunia. This is correct. All these are the garden plants. Okay, sweet pea is garden plant. Ornamental, lupin is that, petunia. Here medicine, muliati, Atropa belladonna, aloe. That is true. Fodder, Sesbania trifolium. Edible oil, soybean, colchicine, groundnut. Here is, this is the incorrect. Actually, edible oil, soybean, from soybean it is used as, soybean is used as vegetable also, and from the soybean oil also is produced, is it? Many of the refined oils are soybean oils. Okay, and then groundnut oil is it, this also is oil producing seed. But colchicine, this one belongs to Liliaceae. Okay, this one is colchicine is a alkaloid. Here, of course, they should have not written colchicine, should have written the colchicum. From the colchicum autumnal, this from colchicum, and alkaloid chemical is obtained, that is known as a colchicine. Okay, colchicine is very important in the cytology laboratory. Cytological experiment and in plant breeding. This one, this one can stop cell division, stop the cell division. Okay, particularly during the cell division, when the chromosome divide, no, chromatids, they from the chromosome to chromatids are there. This during anaphase, this chromatid separates and go to the opposite pole. But what happened? This colchicine can dissolve the spindle fiber. This spindle fiber is dissolved. Spindle fibers are attached to this chromosome at the centromere and help in the movement of the chromosome or the daughter chromosome towards the opposite pole, and then cytokinesis takes place. But colchicine, as it dissolves the spindle fiber, so chromosome will not move to the opposite pole. They will remain in the center of the cell, dividing cell, and so there won't be any mm, cytokinesis and chromosomal disjunction, that is separation of the chromosomes and their movement. And so in the cell will remain the same, cytokinesis will not take place, but the chromosome number will double because the chromatids have been separated. Okay, so this one is used for inducing polyploidy. For inducing polyploidy, and this polyploidy, this one is used in in our plant breeding for the plant improvement, quality improvement. Many of our polyploid plants, they give better production, vigor, flower or fruits. Okay, and for various type of experiment, cytological experiment, to see the nature of the chromosome, effect of chromosome on a particular species of the plant, this colchicine is very, very useful. Okay, so this is not from the edible oil. So this is a incorrect match. Right? Our answer is this one. This belongs to Liliaceae. Next one. Which one is the floral formula of Brassicaceae? You have seen that in the Brassicaceae, it is given, no? Brassicaceae family description has not been given, but the here, this is the floral diagram, and this is the floral formula of Brassicaceae, mustard. Okay, floral diagram with floral formula. This is Brassicaceae. So actinomorphic bisexual, calyx 2 plus 2, that is sepals 4 are there. Corolla, there are 4 valvate, androecium 2 plus 4, 2 on the outer ring and 4 on inner ring, and gynoecium 2 syncarpus and hypogynous or superior ovary. Okay, so which one is the floral formula of brassicaceae? Actinomorphic bisexual, calyx 2 plus 2, corolla, that is petals 4, androecium 2 plus 4, gynoecium 2, syncarpus, superior ovary. So this one. Why not this? Because here it is 2 minus 2. Okay. So this one is wrong. This one, why not 2 plus 2? These two sepals united, showing. And androecium also 2 minus 4. Okay. This one is, in this, everything is okay. Actinomorphic bisexual, calyx 2 plus 2, corolla 4, petals 4, but they are not in mustard. It is not gamopetalous condition. It is polypetalous. All the petals are free. Androecium 2 plus 4, gynoecium here, it is not showing the syncarpus condition. Okay, it should be within bracket. So our answer is option 2. Here, which is the correct for the gynoecium of liliaceae? Gynoecium of liliaceae is tricarpellary. Okay, trimerous flower. So with tricarpellary, these two options are there, number 1 and number 4. But here you see, this one is inferior ovary. This is not true with the liliaceae. So this number 4 option is not correct. Other are okay. Syncarpus trilocular with many ovule, exile, placentation, everything is all right. But this is a wrong character. So our option answer is 1. Tricarpellary, syncarpus, superior ovary, trilocular with mini ovule in exile placentation. Here again, select the incorrect pair. In this, what has been given, say this is indigofera, this one is brinjal, this is asparagus, and this one is colchicine. Say indigofera belongs to Fabaceae, brinjal solanaceae. Okay, asparagus is from Liliaceae. This is ornamental, as well as this asparagus has fasciculated root, so that is used as a decoration also. Indigofera, sepals 5, gamosepalous, corolla maxillary, corolla with maxillary aspiration. Sepals 5, gamosepalous, corolla with maxillary aspiration. This is correct option. Brinjal sepals 5 united, persistent valvate estivation. Yes. Petals 5 united valvate. This is also correct because this is the characteristics of solanaceae. Asparagus is that Liliaceae sepals 3 often united into tube, valvate estivation. This one, sepals 3 it is telling, united into tube, valvate estivation. This one is the incorrect pair. Here colchicine also is monocot, that from this here the perianth present, tepals, that is unit of perianth is called tepals. They are 6 in number, 3 plus 3, valvate estivation. This is correct. This one is wrong. So answer is this. On the basis of the position of the ovary, mustard plant is hypogynous, perigynous, epigynous, zygomorphic. Which one? This is Jammu Kashmir 2012. This is a mustard is a hypogynous with superior ovary. Colchicine is obtained from which of the family? That told Liliaceae. Obliquely placed ovary and swollen placenta is associated with which of the family? This is Jammu and Kashmir 2012. This belongs to obliquely placed ovary is Solanaceae. Okay, so today we'll end it here. You can if you want to see or from your textbook also it is given nicely, so no problem. Okay, you can see from there or from here. Floral diagram, economic important, their economically important plant. This is the Liliaceae. Okay, then I'll close it here.